In a geometric series, the third term is 6 and the sixth term is 162. Find the first term common ratio and the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series. So U3 is equal to 6. You should extract this information from the question that U6 is 162, and any term of a geometric series is given by the first term times the common ratio to the power of n minus 1. So writing down for the sixth term, so we get AR to the 6 minus 1 is equal to 162. So it's about forming equations again. And then for the third term, it will be AR to the 3 minus 1 is equal to 6. So that gives me AR to the 5 is 162, and AR squared is equal to 6. Now, if we label those equations 1 and 2, and I wrote this one up here first because it's a higher power. Now, in order to eliminate A, we have to divide the two equations. So we're going to do equation 1 divided by 2. So it gives me AR to the 5 over AR squared is equal to 162 over 6. Right, so the A's will now cancel. The 2 will now cancel, and this will become A cubed, and 6 goes into 162 27 times. So we're going to end up that R cubed is equal to 27. In order to find R will be equal to 3. Right. Now, in order to find A, we just need to substitute back into one of these. I'm going to substitute back into 2, which is AR squared is equal to 6. So we're going to have A times my common ratio squared is equal to 6. That gives me 9A is equal to 6. So A is 6 over 9, which is 2/3. Now I can find the sum of the first 10 terms. So this time we use Sn is A, R to the n minus 1, R minus 1 for R greater than 1, because we use it this way around because R is bigger than 1, because R is 3. Substituting in, we're going to get S to the 10 is 2/3 times 3 to the power of 10 minus 1 over 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, and then 2/3 divided by 2 is 1/3, so we end up with 1/3 3 to the power of 10 minus 1. Let's write that out again. Taking my calculator out, working it out using the fraction button and brackets carefully, we're going to get 59,048 over 3 will give me the sum of the first 10 terms. Okay, so this has been a video to show you, given two terms you can find of a geometric series or sequence, you can find the first term and the common ratio, and then we've gone on to use that to find a sum of the first 10 terms. So I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.